Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the DIZO Star 300 dual SIM feature phone. There's an image of the dual SIM phone right over here. This is I'll quickly tell you what this variant is. Now, this is the blue variant, so this particular one over here. There are a lot of features mentioned. This particular phone comes with FM radio and MP3 player, built-in torch, and 64 GB of expandable memory. Over here you have some more information. This particular phone comes with a 2550 mAh large battery, 8 local languages, and 1000 contact and 200 message storage space. And I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. These are the components of the box. First up, we have a user manual for the DIZO Star 300. The model number is DH2001. Everything that you want to know about this phone, like all the features, all the functions, all the safety information, security information, etc., can be found on this manual. Next up, we have the 2550 mAh rechargeable removable battery. There you go. This is the model number is DH2001. Once again, it's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 2475 mAh. There you go, not 2550, it's 2475 mAh lithium-ion battery. This should only be charged using a DIZO specified charger. And speaking of chargers, this is the charger that this particular box comes with. This is what you use to charge the device, and this is a micro USB jack that you use to do all the charging. Finally, let's take a look at the phone. This is the DIZO Star 300. This is the blue variant. This has a plastic body, but this has a plastic body, but this is ABS plastic. This will not break or scratch easily. The DIZO logo is written right over here, and this is the VGA camera at the back. It's a matrix AI camera as well, along with a speaker. This is for when you want to listen to music, or when you want to listen to the FM radio. This is a feature for a retro style design phone. Notice that the display, this is a 1.8-inch display, which is half the size of the phone, which is a great thing. On the lower half, you have this numpad. Unlike today's smartphone, there were no QWERTY in the older designed phones, so this is what you get, a numpad. The most important buttons being the one in the center, and the call receive and the call cancel button. So the call cancel button is what you use to turn on the phone and also switch it off, and also to escape any app as and when required. Okay, anything else? You have a micro USB charging port, a 3.5mm port, and a mic as well. I'm going to remove this flap and put the battery inside. Do that first. Give me a moment. I don't want to break my nails doing it. There you go. So inside you will notice some more features. For instance, this is a SIM 1 and SIM 2 slot. As I mentioned earlier, this is a dual SIM phone, and this is where you put the micro SD card. So this can be expanded up to 64 gigabytes. Let's put the battery in. Inserting the battery is pretty simple. Just make sure that these metallic plates are touching these metallic nodes over here, these 3 nodes. So just insert like so, and you're good to go. Close this flap and turn on the display by long pressing the call cancel button. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the DIZO Star 300 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.